Stay Grubionama children, welcome to online class.
Today's topic is number systems. We are going to learn about the numbers by systematically. First, the number started natural numbers. The natural number means it start from 1, 2, 3, 4 up to etc. infinity. So, it only positive numbers. It is denoted by the symbol capital N. Next one, whole number. So, what is mean by whole number? It starts from 0 with natural numbers. It is called a whole number. It is denoted by the symbol W. Next one, integers. Integers means it consists of negative number with whole number is called a integers. It is denoted by the symbol Z. Next to move on, rational numbers. So what is meant by rational numbers? The rational number can be expressed as P by Q form, where P, Q are integers. So what is meant by integers? Integers means whole number, natural numbers. Everything is called integers. Here P by Q is also integer. At the same time, Q not equal to 0. For example, minus 1 by 2. So what is P here? P is minus 1. Minus 1, one of the integers. Then 2. 2 is also one of the integer. At the same time, Q not equal to 0. 2 is not equal to 0. Next one, irrational numbers. What is meant by irrational numbers? We can't express as P by Q form. We can't express P by Q form. For example, root 2. Root is not a integers. So the collection of rational and irrational is called real numbers. So what is my real number? The collection of rational number and irrational number is called real numbers.
Real numbers means it's a collection of rational and irrational is called real numbers. In rational number can be expressed as P by Q form. Irrational number cannot be expressed as in P by Q form. In rational numbers, you can classify two types. One is terminating, another one is non-terminating recurring. So, it is a terminating or non-terminating. How can you find out? Means without decimal expansion, we can't find out. For example, here 1 by 2. 1 by 2, I am going to convert it into a decimal expansion. 1 divided by 2. So, 0.05 by 2s are 10. See here, I am getting the remainder 0. I'm getting the remainder 0. If you are getting the remainder 0, it is a terminating decimal expansion. Another one is non-terminating recurring. What is meant by recurring? Recurring means is repeating. So, without decimal expansion, I can't say it is a rational number or not. So, here 1 by 3 is there. Here I am going to convert it in a decimal expansions. 1 divided by 3. 0.0. 3 3s are 9, remaining 1, 0, 3 3s are 9, 1 up to etc. But here I am not getting the remainder equal to 0. But decimal expansion is repeated is coming. So it is called non-terminating, recurring or repeating. Next one, irrational number. Irrational number means cannot be expressed as P by Q form. Then non-terminating, non-recurring. What is meant by non-terminating? We are not getting the remainder equal to 0. Then non-recurring means repetition will not come. Non-repeating. The repetition will not come. For example, pi equal to 3.141592 up to etc. Here, repetition will not come. So, pi is the best example of irrational number that I told.
Exercise 1.1 first question. Is 0 is a rational number? Can you write it in the form of P by Q where P, Q are integers and Q not equal to 0? Is 0 is a rational number? Yes, 0 is a rational number. Can you write it in the form of P by Q? Yes, we can write it in the form of P by Q because 0 can be written as 0 by 1. It is in the form of P by Q where P, Q are integers. Q not equal to 0. 1 is not equal to 0. Where P is equal to 0, Q is equal to 1. 1 is not equal to 0. Question number 2. Find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. They ask find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. We know that there are infinitely many rational numbers lie between two rational numbers. If they ask 6 means you should take 6 plus 1 equal to 7. So what the number is given? 3, 4. 3 can be written as 3 by 1, 4 can be written as 4 by 1. I am going to multiply the numerator and denominator 7 in both rational numbers. Next one, 3 sevens are 21 by 1 sevens are 7. 4 sevens are 28 by 1 sevens are 7. We have to find out 6 rational numbers in between. 21 by 7 after 22 by 7, 23 by 7 up to etc. Therefore, the 6 rational numbers are between 3 and 4 are 22 by 7, 23 by 7, 24 by 7, 25 by 7, 26 by 7 and 27 by 7. These are 6 rational numbers are lie between 3 and 4. Sum number 3. Find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. They ask 5 rational number. So 5 means you should take 5 plus 1 equal to 6. What the rational number is given here? 3 by 5, 4 by 5. We have to find out 5 rational numbers between this given number. So I am going to multiply the numerator denominator by 6 in both rational numbers. So 6 3s are 18, 5 3s are 30, 6 4s are 24, 5 6 are 30. We have to find out 5 rational numbers. Therefore, 5 rational numbers are between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5 are 18 by 30 after 19 by 30, 20 by 30, 21 by 30, 22 by 30, 23 by 30. This is the 5 rational numbers or the given 2 rational numbers. In second subdivision, find 4 rational numbers which lie between 1 by 3 and 4 by 5. 1 by 3 and 4 by 5. So before sum, now you check both denominators are equal. But here both are different. So we have to take the LCM. So what the LCM of 3 and 5? 15. So I am going to multiply the numerator and denominator here. I have to get 15. So I am going to multiply 5 in both numerator and denominator by 1 by 3. Here 4 by 5 is there. So I am going to multiply here 3 in both numerator and denominator. So 1 5s are 5, 3 5s are 15, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. We have to find out 4 rational numbers. Therefore, 4 rational numbers are between 1 by 3 and 4 by 5 are 15 by 5 by 15 after 6 by 15, 7 by 15, 8 by 15 and 9 by 15. You can take 10 by 15, 11 by 15 also because they ask for 4 rational numbers. Certainly I took only 4 rational numbers. Sum number 4. State whether the following statements are true or false. Give reason for your answer. So first one, every natural number is a whole number. Every natural number is a whole number. Whether the given statement is true or false. Yes, first statement is true. Because the collection of natural number and the zero is called whole number. The collection of a natural number and zero is called whole number. Second one, every integer is a whole number. Every integer is a whole number. The given statement is false because negative integer is not a whole number. Negative integer is not a whole number. For example, I am taking minus 2. Minus 2 is a negative integer. This is not a whole number. Minus 2 is a negative integer. It is not a whole number. It is not a whole number. Whole number means it consists of natural number with 0. Next, third one, every rational number is a whole number. Every rational number is a whole number. The given statement is also false because rational number it is in the form of p by q. Then here and rational number is the form of p by q. Now I am going to take 2, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is a rational number, but this is not a whole number. So 1 by 2 is a rational number. It is not a whole number.
Sum number 4. State whether the following statements are true or false. Give reasons for your answer. First one. Every natural number is a whole number. Whether it is true or false. Every natural number is a whole number. Yes, the given condition is true. Because the collection of a natural number and zero is called whole number. See, true. Every natural number is a whole number. Yes, it is the given condition is true. Because we know that the collection of natural number and zero is called a whole number. Second one, every integer is a whole number. Every integer is a whole number. The given condition is false. Because negative integer integers are not whole number. See, every integer is a whole number. They ask. The given condition is false because negative integers are not whole number. For example, -2 is a negative integer. This is not a whole number. Whole number means it consists of natural numbers with 0. Next, third one, every rational number is a whole number. Every rational number is a whole number. Rational number means it can be expressed as a p by q form. Okay, here is a whole number or not. Here this condition is also false. Rational number are of the form p by q. For example, I am taking 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is a rational number, but it is not a whole number. 1 by 2 is a rational number. It is not a whole number. Exercise 1.2. First question. State whether the following statements are true or false. Justify your answer. First one. Every irrational number is a real number. See here, every irrational number is a real number. The given condition statement is true or false. Yes, it is true because the collection of rational and irrational is a real number. The collection of rational and irrational numbers are called real numbers. So the collection of rational and irrational is called real number. So every irrational number is a real number. Second one, every point on a number line is the form of root m, where m is a natural number. Whether a given statement is true or false? False, because negative numbers cannot be the square root of any natural number. See here, the given condition is false because negative numbers cannot be expressed in the square root of any natural numbers. Next, third one, every real number is an irrational number. Every real number is an irrational number. This given statement is also false because every rational and irrational number is a real number. Okay, but here question, every real number is a rational number or not? For example, I am going to take 2. 2 is a real number. It is not a irrational number. 2 is a real number, but it is not a irrational number. But irrational number is a real number, but real number is not a irrational number. Next one, question number 2. Are the square roots of all positive integers irrational? Once again repeating, are the square root of all positive integers irrational? If not, give an example of the square root of a number that is a rational number. So here, are the square roots of all positive digits a rational number? No. For example, I am going to take one example, root square root of 9. Square root of 9, that is equal to for 3. 3 is a rational number. But here they ask all square root of all positive is irrational, they ask. No, the given condition is false because root square root of 9 can be written as 3. 3 is a rational number.